Hi friends, this is All Plan Fun and today I'll tell you how you can change the thumbnail of a YouTube video. So let's start. First you have to get this app which is named YouTube Studio, and in this you'll get many options. So open the app. See, you'll get like this. All the comments will be here. It will give you analytics of your channel's what do we say? Your channel's information, and here will be videos. Okay, click on these three lines on the top left corner. Here you'll get a column of videos. Go on videos. Here you'll get all the list of your videos. Okay, so I want to change the thumbnail of this. So I'll click on this. Now you'll get this pencil icon. Click on this pencil icon. And now you'll get a screen like this. On this you have an option edit thumbnail. Okay, so you click on the edit thumbnail. It will give you your suggestion thumbnails. But if you want to change a very different thumbnail, so go on change. And here you'll get all the list of your videos or all the list of your pictures, recent pictures, and you can see images. It will open your gallery and downloads. So in this way you can change the thumbnail like this. I did this. I will select it and then select and then done, and then I'll click on save. I'll discard because I don't want to. So this is how you can change the thumbnail. For the YouTube Studio, the link is in the description. And okay, bye bye. Have a good night or anything. Good evening. Good eve. Bye.